We are talking about capacity this week in maths. Capacity is a measure of how much something can hold. Let's look at these. We have a jug, a spoon, a fish tank, and a bottle. Each of these holds different amounts of fluid or different amounts of liquid. Look at this bottle. This bottle is empty. The bottle is empty. Let's look at this bottle. It only has a small bit of liquid in it. It is nearly empty. Let's look at it now. There's lots more liquid in it. This bottle is half full. Let's look at this bottle. This bottle has slightly more liquid in it. It is nearly full. And now this bottle is full. The liquid goes all the way up to the top. It is full. Let's review and recall more and less. Which bottle contains less liquid? Is it this one or is it this one? Did you guess this one? You guessed correct. Which glass contains more liquid? Is it this one, the one on the left, or this one, the one on the right? So we're looking for more liquid. Very important that we read the question carefully. More liquid. This one, the one on the right, holds more liquid. Which jug contains more liquid? Again, they're asking us which one holds more liquid. I'm double checking what the question is asking me. Is it this one, the one on the left, or this one, the one on the right? The one on the left holds more liquid. Which bucket contains less liquid? Let's look inside the bucket on the left. I can't really see any. And the bucket on the right, I see a little bit. Which one holds less? The important word in the question, less. It's the one on the left. So, let's look at this one. This beaker is it empty? Is it nearly empty? Is it half full or is it full? Can you see any liquid in it? It was empty. The bottle is, let's look. Can you see any liquid in it? Is it empty? Is it half full? Is it nearly empty or is it full? It is full. Let's look at this jug. Is the jug empty, nearly empty, half full or full? Have a close look. And let's see. The jug is nearly empty. Can you say that sentence for me? The jug is nearly empty. Let's look at our bucket. Is our bucket empty, nearly empty, half full or full? Have a look at the liquid in it. Which one are you going to choose? Let's see if you were correct. It is half full. Which container holds more? Is it the bucket or is it the glass? Which container holds more? Take a minute to think about it. And let's see were you correct. The bucket holds more. Which container holds more? The egg cup or the glass? It is the glass. And last one, which one holds more here? Is it the bucket or is it the cup? The bucket holds more. Well done.